Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Developer Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is Visualforce Where clause. To display the value in Visualforce page, we need to create Apex class. The field expression syntax of the where clause in a SQL query consists of a field name, a comparison operator, and a value. We can use parentheses to define the order in which field expressions are evaluated. We must specify parentheses when nesting operators. So to do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account. At the right side, we need to click on setup gear icon, developer console, right click, open link in new tab. So to create the Apex class, we need to click on file, new, Apex class. I am providing the name Visualforce Where class, the Apex class name, click OK. So in this class we are writing like creating the accounts, list of account, set get. In the accounts we are querying the value, select ID, name, phone, industry, rating, annual revenue from account. So simply we are loading this value, accounts, all the records. So next we are creating the industry energy method. In this we are selecting the values from account where industry equals to energy. So it is going to display where all the industry having the value energy. Next, rating hot. So it is going to display the values where rating equals to hot. So all the values we are getting whose rating is hot. Next, annual revenue. Here we are getting the values where annual revenue is greater than 3 lakh. So energy and hot method, it is holding the value where industry equals to energy and rating equals to hot. So here we are seeing AND operator, and in this we are seeing OR operator. So AND operator is holding both the values, industry equals to energy and rating equals to hot. In this we are getting the values either industry equals to energy or rating equals to hot. So to display the values, let's create a Visualforce page. So file, new, Visualforce page. I am creating by the same name, Visualforce Where class. Click OK. So here we are calling this class Visualforce Where class. In this Visualforce page, by using controller, under that Apex form, then Apex page block, then Apex page block button, and location we are putting top. Here we are displaying the values industry energy, rating hot, annual revenue, energy and hot, energy or hot, and we are calling the respected method for this. So in the action industry energy, this name we are taking from here, industry energy. So what data it is going to query, that is going to be displayed over here, and respectively all the values are coming from the Apex class. So we are closing the Apex page block button, then Apex page block table value, we are providing accounts, and we are creating a variable of accounts where a, and then we are using, we can direct use accounts dot name, but while creating the variable a, it is like on the place of accounts we have to write only a. So a dot name means accounts dot name, phone, industry, rating, annual revenue, and closing the tags respectively apex page block table, page block, form, and page. So save this Visualforce page and click on preview button. So like this we are getting the page. So by default all the accounts with account name, phone, industry, rating, and annual revenue we are getting displayed here. So how it is going to display? It is calling by the constructor, and in the Visualforce Where clause the constructor we had written accounts equals to, so here we are getting all the accounts by these fields: ID, name, phone, industry, rating, annual revenue. So all if we need only industry energy, so if someone needs only industry energy value, so we need to query like this: industry energy. So only the industry energy values means account name, phone, rating, and annual revenue is coming up. If someone wants only rating hot values, so click on rating hot. So all the rating hot values are coming. So how it is working? On the rating hot we had written the query like this only: rating hot, we are querying only where rating equals hot. If all we need annual revenue greater than 3 lakhs, so all the values are coming whose annual revenue is greater than 3 lakh. So energy and hot, so here in the where class we are using energy as well as hot. So no values are there whose energy and hot value is there. So if I am clicking on energy or hot, energy, industry energy 2 values, and rating hot this much values. Thank you.